Here's the small doors that you have to go in to get up to the elevators to get to the top of the arch. Look, I ducked to get in. Here we go, starting our climb up the arch. Kind of starts off kind of normal, and then it starts going to a more vertical ascent. You can see the stairs there that the workers can use to climb up to 630 feet to the top. There's spiral staircases back and forth on the concrete steps. There's maintenance in the engine room. Now you can see it's kind of switched more to a vertical mode of the climb. You can see the arch there, the concrete on the inside. Outside it's stainless steel, but above and below, because it's kind of like a Ferris wheel almost. The gateway arch is 630 feet tall as well as 630 feet wide from point to point at the base. Just a fun little fact there. It's a 4-minute climb to the top going up and 3 minutes going down. And here it's starting to accelerate just a little bit to get you to the top faster now that it's actually going up the center thing more vertically. The foundations at the base are 60 feet deep. Not that you can use the stairs, they're only for maintenance and emergency evacuations, but there's 1,076 stairs to the top on each side. The Gateway Arch is the world's tallest arch and Missouri's tallest accessible structure. Yeah, now we're arching the other way. In 1959 and 1960, the ground was broken for the construction. 1961, the foundations were laid. The actual construction of the arch structure began February 12, 1963, with the first steel triangle on the south leg put in place. The final piece of the gateway arch was installed October 28, 1965. The tram is starting to slow down now as we're approaching the top where we'll get out. Here's the door starting to engage to open up to let us out. Okay, thanks. Watch your step.
All right, folks, welcome to the top.
And here's a quick view of the Missouri side from the top. I have another video showing all the different views from both sides, but I figured I'd just put it in this video as well. Courthouse. You can see there, you can see the feet of the arch down there for the north and south side. 630 feet down. There's the visitor entrance, the circular. Switching to the Illinois side, you can see the Mississippi River down there. A lot of debris because there's been a lot of high water. There's looking down. There is a road there, but I don't know how you access it. There's a bridge coming in from Illinois to St. Louis, I-55. Scanning back the other way. A little bit more there. Here it is. There's the bridge that the train goes underneath and the cars go overhead. That's another pan of the Illinois side. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to see more travel content like this. Thank you.